Hi guys, welcome back to my channel JP Khasi Tech. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and share my videos. Now let's start the project. Today we are going to learn how we can implement the toolbar instead of action bar. Okay, so let's do it. First of all, let's open the Gradle file just below this manifest, and then you can see this Gradle file. Open the Gradle file and go here. First you have to import the library over here. Can you see in the dependency session? This is a dependency, so you have to import the library here, the app compact library. Okay, after importing you just sync the project. After syncing the project, let's go and do the rest. Okay, after syncing the project, go to the value. After value you open style file. After opening style file, here you can see the style of the apps. Okay, so this is the theme.appcompat.light.tag action bar. Actually we are going to remove the action bar. Okay, so to do that, just write here no action bar, because we have to remove this default action bar. Right now, see, no more action bar. Okay, so now let's go to the XML part. So XML, you can go this layout and XML. Okay, now here I have to define the custom toolbar, okay, that we can call in the Java class to use as a main action bar. So how we can create? Let's create the object of toolbar. Open angular bracket. So I'm gonna say android dot support dot version 7 dot widget. Okay, widget dot, and the widget is toolbar. Okay, remember this one, widget dot toolbar. Okay, so here I mistake. Okay, now it's done. Now just give the layout height and width. Layout height, so I'm gonna give height wrap content because it will just exist by itself. Okay, auto. Now let's give the layout width. Okay, layout width, I'm gonna say match parent because I'm gonna match the object from one side to another side. See, it's matching. It starts from here till here. Now can you see the, now just close this one. Okay, I have closed this. Now let's give the ID for the toolbar, and the ID is, I'm gonna say toolbar. Okay, the ID is toolbar. Now everything done. Now you can see here there is little the rectangular form. This is the new toolbar that we have just created. Okay, now next let me give the color little darker so that you can see. I'm gonna say set background, and the background I'm gonna give the coded, not the defined color. So I'm gonna give just for simplicity DE, which is the little darker. Okay, now let me make little darker so that you can see clearly. Just pull over here. Okay, now it's done. Now can you see the toolbar is dark? Okay, now the coding in XML has been completed. ID I have given. Now let's go to the Java class and implement this toolbar. Okay, so you go here. Now next you just initialize the toolbar. So I'm gonna say toolbar first type. Okay, don't import the simply. If you want to choose, you can choose this second one. If you want, okay, you can choose this one. It says android.support.version7.widget. Okay, this is the one. Now double click. Why we choose that one, I will tell you later. Okay, now the variable, I'm gonna say toolbar, and then it is equal to find, don't need the casting, find viewer id. So id is r dot id dot, it is toolbar. Now close it. Now we have done the initializing. Now I want to put this toolbar instead of action bar. How can we do? There is one method called set support action bar. Okay, set support action bar. So in this parameter I'm gonna use this toolbar, right? So I'm gonna say put this toolbar inside instead of action bar. Now everything done. Okay, control alt L to arrange the code. So now can you see here import android.support.version7. So Why I select the second one, version 7? Because to use the toolbar here we need the version 7, because I have used the toolbar version 7 here. By default, if you will choose the first one, this one will be removed like this, and you will get this error here. Can you see this error? That's why I put here that version 7 dot widget, because we are going to use the version 7. Okay, now everything done. You can see this line, the underline, that is nothing, because just because you have find the variable also in the same place here on create. So if you want to remove this variable, you just go over here and then define variable here. I'm gonna say, just for example, private, and add as toolbar, right? Toolbar, and the variable is toolbar. Now close it. Now can you see, remove this one, because I have defined in here. Okay, variable. Now the line has been removed. Okay, now everything done. Control Alt L to arrange all the code, so it says no line change because I have did it correctly. Okay, now let's go and run the project if it works. I'm using this Nexus 4 API label 21. Let's see if it's worked. Okay guys, the apps has been run completely. It is successful, because you can see here little darker. So this is the toolbar that we have just created. So this toolbar is come from this one. This is the one, and background color I gave little dark, which is 636262. This is the one, and you can see the sample here. This is the one, the new toolbar instead of default action bar. Okay, so, and you can see one more thing, this text here, this text is came from this one. You go to value folder and then string. In string you can see the string app name, so this one. So I'm going to change this one. Just for example, I'm going to say John custom toolbar. Okay, John is my name, by the way. John custom toolbar. Now let's run the project and see what happens if we will run this. Now the project has been run completely. You can see it's changed to John custom toolbar. So thank you guys, only this for today. It's worked perfectly. So I hope you understand. Please subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.